Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good to meet you again, dear brothers and sisters. It's me, Hamza Faiz. Today I'm going to show you something great in my video, but you can comment after you watch this video. This video we are going to demonstrate how Google machine works, such like searching. So we build a website which really look like about there. So every time you search image in a Google, you can get a response. So every time you search in this website, you can get a response. Let's try to say Hargeisa. The first word we are going to search is Hargeisa. We know Hargeisa is a city in Somaliland. Okay, after a while we will get, yes, we get 20, as we get 20 response about the Hargeisa. So this website is really look like a Google. Let me try another one. Bur'o. Yes, he knows Pro. He gives us 20 images. How about Mogadishu? Yes, he knows Mogadishu. Oh, you can see the president of Somalia around there. Okay, so this website really look like a Google image. You can make our flowers in there. That's this my image. Yes, my name is Hamza Faiz. As I told you, I'm a beginner. I was software developer. You can see that I was developing since 2014, and this is my code. Ogow Ilaahay miyaan ilaah kale inaanu jirin, Muxamedin iyo rasuulka sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Dabadeed waynu liibaanaynaa akhriya adduunyada. Okay, if you watch this video, I would like to give me a comment, any suggestion, any recommendation, because I'm a beginner. I was software developer. Maybe some experts who watch me in this video, I really like to give me a comment. Thank you for watching.